So what we got here, Pete?
We got a 73 Stingray. Look, chrome bumpers. Chris, chrome bumpers, chrome bumpers.
Oh, that is nice.
Square exhausts. Stingray. Day. Yeah. 35 degrees. We should be having the Targa roof out, you know, with this weather. They're always Targas, these Corvettes. Fun in the sun. Got a little surprise for you as well today, Chris.
Oh, excellent.
Just a little one.
So we've got a bit of a tattoo or something on the back here.
Yeah, tatoeage, tatoeage, tatoeage. You see? Yeah.
Square exhaust.
Square exhaust, yeah. Rally wheels that we're gonna make beautiful. Original rally wheels. Chris, that's not on every Corvette, eh? Yeah. Road huggers. They're talking about you. And our big guy, of course, the big man, the main man. Without him, we'd be nowhere, mate. We got this guy, Gabi. Don't forget this Gabi. He's your guy in the Costa Blanca. Yeah. Well, let's go.
So he has to go despacito, just like the song.
Despacito. This is how we do it down in Puerto Rico.
You need to change that to Costa Blanca.
Yeah. Orihuela la Costa. Woo! All right, Chris, we got some action going. It's a long time. It's a long time. You're gonna be busy. I'm gonna be busy. Everybody happy. We're off the streets. Yeah. All right, Christopher, mate.
Yeah.
Are we going well?
We're good. We're
Give him the correct instructions today, yeah?
About to have touchdown.
Yeah.
Bit more. Okay.
Wow. Hey.
Touchdown.
Hey. That's perfect. Here we go. Straight back window. Like a Ferrari. It's the first Corvette ever, Chris, that we've owned, seen and going to drive with a little luggage rack on it.
That's handy.
It's sexy.
Does it make it awkward putting fuel in?
No, you can still put fuel in because it's gonna need a lot of fuel, you know.
All right, Pete's got the responsibility of rolling that thing in here. It must be hot in there. No, can't open the windows or nothing, isn't it? That's it. Come on, keep it going, Pete. You're all good. Left hand down.
No.
That's it. Right, straight. Keep it going.
We can go back a bit further because for the other Corvette that's coming. Yeah.
Another Corvette. What?
Yeah. I couldn't help myself, mate. So you're gonna wait here. You're going to start working on this car while I'm gonna pick up the other Stingray, by the way. What color do you think it is, Chris?
Is it the same color as your t-shirt by any chance?
Ooh, let's see. Are you ready for the big surprise? Gonna take us about 45 minutes. Pick the other one up, put it in your garden. And you don't need to wash that one. That one will shine in your face, mate. All right, let's go. Let's keep moving. We need to work. It's Sunday. We're getting double pay today. So we are only working on a Sunday because it's double pay.
In the heat.
In
Sunday,
the heat, yeah.
35 degrees heat.
And we're starting a Finnish sauna business. 100 euros an hour. You can sit in the car, sweat everything out, come out healthy and alive and energetic.
Okay, so another Corvette's on the way. I better get this little thing out of the way, then make some space. It's got bird poo on it, even with a cover. How is that?
Chris, like a happy hour, yeah, we got this, yeah, black Corvette, Stingray, and now we all know it's Stingray Day, yeah, and here's the other one, Chris.
Oh my God, that's bright.
Oh, look at that. I just want you to have a quick look, Chris, at the wheels of this car, the paint, the rear window is straight. And our man is delivering, eh?
Is this a Stingray as well?
This is a Stingray. I said you a Stingray Day.
We got two Stingrays.
1973 over there, homeboy, Dr. Chris. 1974, follow-up years. The next one will be in 1975.
Wow.
Nice, yeah. Chris. Just look at this wheel. Oh my God, look at the brakes.
Oh look at the caliper, look at the chassis. It's been totally restored.
You gotta finish the restoration, Chris. Chris China. Look at this wheel.
Wow.
Look at the brake.
Wow.
Hey, Chris. Have a look inside, Chris. Tell me what you see. Manual. It's a manual. Going on. Stingray Day. Never forget that. Woo! Bump. Like it, Chris?
Love it.
You got a good feeling now? Yeah. Somebody's waiting for this car. You gotta finish these final touches, Chris, because that's why you're the man.
Okay.
You're the man.
Okay.
Never forget, not every Corvette is a Stingray. This one is a Stingray. Yeah. They don't make them like that anymore, Chris. Alright, BF Goodrick, yeah, makes you happy?
Oh yeah.
Good and rich. Right, let's get going, mate.
Alright, watch him back now. This is going to be an easy flip. It is in such good condition.
And then with the sunlight on and on the red, there's just nothing like it, is there, Chris? There is nothing like this. Nothing.
Doesn't want to come down.
Dejé una por seguridad.
It wouldn't come off the ramp and then they realised they were still tied on it. Professional guys, truly professional. Nobody's got brakes.
All right, mate, we did it.
That is well and truly stunning.
Stunning, this one, yeah?
Is that a crack?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. It's got a couple of issues.
T-tops.
Nice.
We pop the bonnet and
Let me
show
pop the
these
bonnet for
wonderful
you, Chris.
viewers back home
Well, the car
what
was
is
just
sitting
Chris,
underneath there.
You was probably having breakfast this morning thinking he was going to have a siesta.
I did have a
Sunday
siesta.
35. Oh, you did have a siesta. And then I came on the phone, yeah? I thought Chris
My
is
favorite.
out for a Sunday roast. Yeah.
It's stuck.
Wait. Yeah. Have you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, Dr. Chris.
Oh, look at that.
That's there, man. Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
Chris, it's all there, mate. It's all there. Yeah? Yeah.
I've never seen a Corvette with a shiny brake cylinder.
It's the first one.
Yeah, first one. First time for everything.
But it is Stingray Day. Chrome mirrors, yeah? Back in the day, chrome mirrors, people love that stuff. Chrome.
I know, they don't do chrome no more. It's
No.
all black.
So, we got this, Chris. Now it's time for us to, you know, to make somebody happy. I'm sure somebody is waiting for this car. Somebody is dreaming from this car. Somebody's been saving up for this car. And don't forget, Chris, it is a 4-speed manual. Now, you've seen many Corvettes, yeah?
Never a manual.
Never a manual, mate.
First manual we've had in this house.
And here we go. Got a black interior. Yeah, we got the air conditioning parts with this car separate, so we got those.
Oh, we can fit air
For our
conditioning.
Spanish patients.
Yeah, we need that in
Yeah,
Spain.
I've got the full radiator, the hoses and the pump in the pickup. So we got that, then it's of course black inside. We still need to clean it, but a quick first look. You know, it's got no radio, but who needs a radio, Chris?
Is that new carpets?
This is brand new.
It's new carpets. Look
The
at that.
seats are beautiful. They're the original seats in black leather. The oil pressure gouge is working in this car, believe it or not. I wonder if the clock might even be working on this car. We've got the tilted steering wheel going on here.
I love that steering wheel.
Beautiful, yeah, with the wood look tilted. And Telescopia. Now a Ferrari doesn't have that. We got it all, mate. We got it all.
What year is this car again?
1974 Stingray, Mr. Chris.
Excellent.
Good stuff, yeah? This is a barn find. Yeah?
This one needs a bit more work. I noticed the paint work. We may need to give this a paint job.
Chris, this one is maybe for somebody that's looking for a project. Or we take this project on. I mean, we don't have to paint it ourselves. We send it to the man, the big guy, you know, the guy with the paint brush.
Yeah.
And make it all beautiful black.
Let's have a look at the engine on this one.
Yeah, let's have a look. Why not?
These pipes here looks like something
Yeah,
off a radiator.
Mario Brothers.
Yeah. I've never seen that on a car.
Yeah, you can decide if you want to open it or close it, you know, depending if it's Stingray Sunday or not.
Yeah, but see, look at the brake there. That's not as nice as the other one.
No. So yeah, this one's got some good horsepower because it's a bit older. You know, the oil crisis was not so current.
New carpets as well.
Yeah, it's beautiful, the carpet. This is an automatic. The old, you know, air system, heating system with the dials, really beautiful. 1973, yeah. This is also a bit different, and this one had the option, because it wasn't standard on the 73 cars, to have the tilted, yeah, and telescopic steering wheel. That was an extra option, yeah. And we got a bit of a wood inlay here to make it luxurious, a luxurious sports car.
I've never seen that before. Is that someone's done this, or was it an option?
It was definitely an option back in the day, so it could be that it came like that, you know. But that's absolutely cool. Great. Automatic, put it in drive away, forget all your worries, forget the money problems, forget, you know, a lot of bad things going on in the world.
So even though it's only like 1 year difference, isn't it?
1 year difference, Chris, exactly. 73, 74. Now this is the final one of the Mako Sharks, yeah? They started in 68,
right?
Late 67, I think even. You know, you had the big blocks. They were mostly automatics. You could get a gearbox, you know, like that one has. But just look how beautiful they built it. This is one piece, yeah, on the 73 Corvette with the little Mako Shark tail, yeah?
Yeah.
And then of course the exhaust, box standard.
Square exhaust.
People put side pipes on them, that's really great. But this is also box original, which, you know, it's beautiful. How it came from the factory.
I really like the two-tone, the black and the silver.
You like the two-tone, Chris?
I like that.
I hope the guy that buys this likes the two-tone as well, because, you know, it's a difficult one, this. You could just, you know, polish it, wrap it maybe, or just paint the car.
That's an option.
Which we are in Spain, and painting, it's not super cheap, but it's doable. It's doable. It's definitely worth the investment for a car like this.
The only thing is with wrapping, because we live in a hot country, Spain, I've seen a lot of horror stories where people have wrapped their cars and then the air underneath just expands and it turns into like a big bubble.
Yeah.
And
they explode in the end, don't they?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah.
Or the car might float away, I don't know.
Yeah. But look, Chris, to point out one more thing, this is the first Corvette that we ever had with the luggage rack. Yeah, now I'm not sure, I think you can even put the Targa roofs on here, you know, if you're excited and want to drive with the, you know, with the open top, the cabriolet experience. One bit, one piece, one body. Now let's look at this red one if we can quickly.
Okay.
Straight window in the back. Double fence here. Rosters, and then you see here, this is two pieces. This goes down in 74. Yeah, like you see it, Chris, yeah? Yeah. This goes down in 74.
Let me just move this kale out the way.
Yeah.
Healthy eating kale.
Yeah, no square exhaust on this one. The normal down-facing exhaust, the box standard factory ones. And the logo changed as well. Look, Corvette is all one piece. Yeah. And on that one, Corvette is separate letters.
So, which one of these Corvettes is worth more then? The 73 in that shape or the 74 in this shape?
If I knew the answer to that question, I'd go to like Deal or No Deal or some other game show, because this is a hard one for me. Now I think this one is in a nicer
condition.
Like car meet condition.
Yeah.
That one could just be a driver for somebody, because you know those cars, you can't pick them up under 25 to 30,000 euros anymore. Those cars. And we're gonna give somebody a bargain. You know, we can do it up ourselves, make it beautiful, or say, listen, take that car, pay us a low price, drive it away.
Sell it as a project
car. Drive it away. But one thing is for sure, me and Dr. Chris, we will put some work in it to make it the best experience possible for anyone that wants to come around, drink a cup of coffee, check these cars out, and maybe buy one, maybe buy them both. It's happy hour for us, could be happy hour for you. So that was stored in a guy's barn, believe it or not, you know. This guy, he does business in Milan, he flies all over the world, he's in the fashion industry. Oh. Now he just had no more time for the car, and you know, we could buy it. So bought it, took a big risk. Now seeing the car, it's beautiful. It needs work, but the body, the bones, the engine, 5.7 by the way, V8, it's all there. And like I said before, to find a bargain like that for one of our clients, it's almost impossible. And we're gonna make this possible. We put a little bit of work in it, we'll make a schedule, and we can maybe update people with some videos, like got the engine to run, got the brakes to go.
Because this black one, you said it hasn't been started for quite a few years. Is that correct?
Minimum of 6 years, yeah.
Right, so we're gonna have to change the fuel on it. We're gonna have to put some...
check the belts.
Yeah, check the belts, check the pistons and not seats.
Yeah.
So that'll be coming up in the next video. So if you're interested in seeing something like that, you can watch us getting this black one running. It might not even start, we don't know. It's going to be an experiment, isn't it?
The first thing we need is a new or a charged battery.
Yeah, okay.
Which that is your mission. Tomorrow or Tuesday, we're going to team up again. Stick a battery in there. Have a look at the belts. Check some stuff out. I'll bring a jerry can of Simplomo 98.
Okay.
We'll whack it in there and we'll see where we stand.
Okay.
And everybody who's looking will know the update on this car. If it's running, they might say, hey, I'm going to drive there. I'm going to check this car out.
Yeah. And of course we got this one as well, which doesn't really need a lot of work, does it? Well, what does this one need? Do you know yet?
Okay, so this is in the final stages of restoration, yeah? The wheels have been done, the tires are new, the brakes are... They're just amazing. I have pictures from the work on the brakes, which we will put in the video, and then you can see what's been done to the brakes. It's so beautiful, you wouldn't believe it. The paint, there's not one scratch on this car.
That's perfect.
The targa roof, it's working and it's fine, you can take it out. The rubbers are a bit dry, so that's number one, but that's not a major problem.
No.
I would just drive it with the roof out, but you know, I'm a funny guy. The electric window's not going up and down. I don't think the ref counter is working. The minor final stages of restoration.
Small little fixes we got to sort
Small
out.
little fixes.
That shouldn't be a problem.
And don't forget, it's a manual. And the clutch is actually pretty light on this car, where normally you need like the Hulk to put the clutch with 2 feet. You know, you can do it. This car is actually as beautiful in real life as it is in the picture and in the video. And that don't happen many times. Come check it out, folks.
So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing the arrival of these two beautiful Corvettes, and subscribe, keep watching and find out if we get that one started and we get both of them sold.